Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are colorizing and stenciling some beautiful unfinished wood desk accessories for my new desk. And we're using Marabu Art Crayons, which come in a ton of different colors. Now these are a wax-based, soft, buttery pastel that are easy to blend, and they're also water soluble, so you can add a little bit of water to them and blend them to get a beautiful watercolor effect. They're also non-toxic and easy to wash off your fingers, which I'm going to show you today because I'm going to be rubbing them into the wood to create an ombre effect. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's use some Marabu Art Crayons. You can find Marabu Art Crayons and unfinished wood products at your favorite big box art supply store. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2 and I will see you next week. Bye.